Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to farm the Tix Coins in Fish It Game of Roblox new classic update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The classic update has been released in Fish It Game of Roblox. And in this update, you will earn new Tix Coins. Let me show you guys. And you can use the Tix Coins to buy something from this classic event battle pass. Okay, you can also use them to buy something from the limited time shop or limited event shop. Wait, I'm going to go to the shop. It's right here. Go to the classic island first. If you are at the fisherman island, you can use the teleport menu. Wait, it's here guys. The shop. Okay, just talk to the epic guide to view the shop. Okay, you can buy the Bloxy Kowa or the Noob Totem with the Tix Coins. Okay guys, and if you want to farm the Tix Coins, the step is very simple. You just need to do fishing on the fishing spot and you will earn the Tix Coins right here. Okay, this is the fishing spot. Just do fishing here and you will collect the Tix. Okay, and that's how we can farm the Tix and Fish It Game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.